If the chain keeps disconnecting from the trip lever, stop using the fixture until you fix the connection to avoid unreliable flushing. Start by inspecting the clip and attachment point for wear or deformation, because a bent or stretched clip will fail to hold the chain under load. Use the additional clip included with many kits and thread it so there is no slack that allows the chain to pop out when the lever moves. Double check that the chain is attached to the lever eye or hook rather than wrapped around a shaft where it can slip. A single straight connection distributes force reliably. Match the chain type to the trip mechanism by choosing a chain with similar link size and thickness to the original. Proprietary thin decorative chains will not seat in the lever slot properly. If the chain is visibly worn, rusted, or has elongated links, replace it with a new corrosion-resistant chain, rated for this use, and cut to the correct length so the flapper or valve opens fully without excessive tension. When reassembling, operate the lever several times by hand to confirm the chain remains in place across the entire motion range and that the flapper seals without obstruction when released. Common mistakes include leaving too much slack in the chain, which allows it to jump out during lever travel, so shorten and secure the chain with the clip so the movement is controlled. Another frequent error is using the wrong clip orientation, which lets the chain rotate and escape. Reverse the clip so its closed end faces the chain load and test the lever action. People also ignore chain wear until failure occurs, so inspect for elongation and corrosion at least twice a year and replace early to avoid mid-flush failures. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and share real-world project experience. On our site, we list contractor profiles and maintain a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange tips, ask questions, and find leads.